I'm Scott Morgan. I'm Will Traeger.
Evie Scogan. And I'm Christine Dingavan. And Brittany Winslet is our filmer. This is our concrete stepping stone project. Okay, we're driving our mixture from the back of the Portland cement bag, and it includes 1 part of Quikrete cement, 2 parts of Quikrete all-purpose sand, and 3 parts gravel. So this is our mixing gravel. Okay.
This is our 2 parts of sand.
Ooh.
I guess I can't take.
Go.
Now we're adding a half bowl of water. Now we are mixing our concrete. We constructed our basic formwork with leftover decking screws and 3/4 inch pieces of wood.
I know you don't. Okay.
We're messing up the bottom.
Okay.
We're just kind of like making stuff up because we don't have like the right tools. So I don't know. I don't want everybody else to like laugh at us. I think we're
Baseball. Or don't get that one here.
For our last mixture, we're going to add color, so we're going to add 3 capfuls to our water before we mix.
One, 2, 3. Look at that. Yeah, I did. Brittany, look. Oh man, that sucks. Hold on. Brittany's putting the stained concrete into the last form. Okay.
We're adding Pam to our stamp as a form release.
Alright, for our first technique, we used different rings and we stamped the surface of the concrete after we had poured it.
For the second technique, right after this block was poured, we troweled in stain and then tooled in these lines. For our third step, we used this dye to change the color of the concrete and used a broom finish.
For our fourth technique, after we poured the concrete, we had a splatter finish on top and then tried to stamp this piece of raised glass into it.
In our project, we learned many things, one of which is to pull our formwork too fast caused the concrete to chip.
We also learned that when using a stamp like this, the relief has to be higher than the one on this piece of glass.
After experimenting with our water to cement ratio, we determined that the one with the best consistency was that of a ratio of 0.5.
This is an easy way to remember the mixture components of concrete.
A, S,
C, 1,
2, 3.
where 1 is cement, 2 is sand, and 3 is aggregate.